Hi, we are doing another mystery bag unboxing, and again I'm going to attempt to have Luna in. I have another bag of donations to share with you, and I thought it would be fun to just go through it with you and see what we find in the bag, because I have not looked inside yet. So let's discover what is in this big bag together. And here, oh my goodness, is the bag. It's huge. And just like last time, I'm going to have multiple different categories. One's going to be keep for myself, one is going to be redonate, another is going to be buy, sell, trade, and then potentially sell on Poshmark. So we're going to see what is in here. You're going to help me untie it? Yeah, you're going to help me? You're not helping me though. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Are you going to bite it off? Yeah. Right on top, are you going to explore and see what else is in the bag? These clothes are all going to get washed, by the way. First item is from Aeropostale. This is Bowery Slim Straight, size 30-32 from Aeropostale. They are black denim. Maybe I should make sure the zipper works. Yep, zipper works. They're black denim, and I thought they had distressing on them. Nope, they do not. So no distressing, but it does look like they may be skinny. I'm not sure that a buy sell trade would take these, but I'm gonna put it in that pile because I don't sell this brand. I just wanted to look in the light and kind of look these over to see if there's any issues with them. MNG. I'll try and show you the label. I believe this says it's wool. Yeah, it's a wool blend, and it is a size small, and it is just this white or cream, kind of a lightweight sweater, V-neck. I don't know, I may even keep this for myself. This may be a nice basic. So I'm gonna start a pile for me to try on. Would you like to see like a video potentially of me like trying things on and deciding whether to keep it or not? Would that be interesting to you guys? I don't know. Let me know down below if that's something you want to see, because it was an idea that I had, because I have to do that anyway, so figured maybe it would be fun to film it and just kind of share my thoughts as I'm going through stuff. This next one is from Calvin Klein, and this is a white. So that's the one I just showed you, is more of a cream. This is definitely more of a true white. And this is from Calvin Klein, and this looks like a bolero or something that you would wear over a dress. This is a size medium, like a little shrug bolero kind of a thing. I'm not 100% sure what you would want to call it, but just basic. I feel like this is more of like a 3/4 sleeve length. So I don't wear these a whole lot, otherwise I would consider keeping it. I don't know, maybe I'll look through my dresses. I don't have a white one of these to wear with dresses, but then again, I don't wear dresses that often. I don't know. I'll try it on, and just like the MNG one, I think that's Mango's line. If they don't work out, if I don't end up liking them, then I'm going to take both of these to a buy sell trade. Okay, this is kind of interesting. This is kind of like a very basic, simple, but also artsy kind of style is what it reminds me of. It's like a gray. It's very soft, and then it's got like one very unique button. And it's got pockets. I don't see like a name brand on this. I wonder if this could be reversible. Sit. Good girl. Oh, we don't need to paw. We have a tag in the pocket. Okay, see? Check pockets. Okay. This is by, what is this, Jillian Jones Petite. It is 93% wool and 7% nylon. I've never heard of this brand. Some of these mystery bag things is fun because I now am gonna look this up and we will see if it's anything special. It's not my style, unfortunately. I wish I was a little more artsy in what I wore, but I'm just not. So this one will either be a buy sell trade or potentially just look up. I'm not sure that it will, I've never heard of it to resell, but if it ends up being something, I'll let you know. But I think this is going to be buy sell trade. Next piece I am pulling out is a really nice flannel feeling plaid top, long sleeve, button up. And this is from, oh, this is from Duluth. This is size medium and it is 100% cotton. I actually really like Duluth stuff. I wonder if this is men's or women's though. It says it's a medium. I don't know if it says whether it's men's or women's, but I think I'm gonna try this one on. Okay, next mystery item is Nike, but it's Detroit Tigers. And this is what it looks like. It's kind of fun. And then it's got striped, like 3/4 sleeve with a cuff that's the same as the main part of the shirt. That's what the back looks like. I don't know. I don't know if this is something like to sell or not, but I'm thinking I will take this to buy, sell, trade. From Tommy Bahama. It looks like just a white button up. And this is 100% cotton. Oh, I am seeing a stain. Okay, I'm seeing quite a stain here. So I may try and wash it and see if I can get that out, but if not, this may be a redonate. All right, next mystery item is Vineyard Vines. Martha's Vineyard. Okay. This is like a sweatshirt, like a quarter zip. It is navy with this red plaid. Trying to show you guys the tag there. And then this is a size medium. And yeah, this is actually really cute. I feel like a lot of things I'm gonna try on. I'm gonna try this one on. If not, I may take this to buy, sell, trade. I may look it up to resell myself, but first I'm gonna try it on. I feel like I'm gonna have a pretty big try on pile, and then I'm really gonna realistically only keep like a handful of things. Last time I think I only kept like 2 or 3 things out of my pile, and I had an okay pile. So yeah, I'm gonna try it on. Doesn't mean I'm gonna keep everything I'm putting in that pile. Oh wow, look, she's already gotten into the bag and taken things out. Oh, thanks for your help. Oh, thank you. All right. What was she after? Oh, she was after some Shein. I don't sell Shein, so this will definitely be a buy, sell, trade. But they seem like a good style. Like they're wide leg pant. Size medium. All right, what else did you take out of the bag? Yeah, you took this one out, didn't you? I'm gonna show it next. Oh, this is Madewell. So sometimes I will sell Madewell, and sometimes I will send it to buy, sell, trade, or I'll give it to buy, sell, trade. So we will have to look this one up. It is a size small. And if I can back up, I will show you. That's what it that's what it looks like. Can you see with the dog in the way? Yeah. Thanks for helping me. You're so kind. These look like a very comfy pair of stretchy pants. They're my size. They are medium. They are by Cabby. I will look these up, but I will also try these on. The waistband, they've got these really nice big pockets. I love these kinds of pockets for my phone. And they are like a jogger style. So we will see. Oh, and then they've got butt pockets too. Okay. We have a pair of jeans. These are Citizen of Humanity jeans, size 27. They look like they are just a straight leg. And here's what the butt pockets look like. I'm gonna look these ones up to potentially resell, and if not, they will be going to buy, sell, trade. These are some shorts. Look like that. Actually, they look really cute. I wonder, okay, let me see what size they are now. Okay, these are size medium. I may try these on. I think I'm gonna try these on. And if they don't fit, then probably buy, sell, trade, because I don't see a brand on them. I do need shorts. Like I need some jean shorts that actually fit me. I have a feeling those aren't going to, but it'd be great if they did. Okay, we have another pair of comfy pants. Okay, these are, oh, these are new with tags. They're $12 new with tags. That's okay. These are Time and True. Oh, these are the crop wide leg regular pant. And these are size medium. Maybe I'll try these on as well, although I'm not sure I really like the bottom part. I don't know. We will see. I may try these on, and then if not, I don't know if Buy Sell Trade would take this or not, so we will see. But they are new tags, so she is literally rolling in it now. Rolling in my bag. God, I hope you like that I'm sharing a little bit of my dog in the video. It kind of helps me, then that way I don't have to like put her away all the time. Okay, we have another pair of shorts, some black shorts. They are drawstring, they are black. And, oh, these are North Face, size medium women's. I may try these on. These may be a total try on for me. And if not, I don't know. Could I sell this? If not, I know Buy Sell Trade would take it. So yeah, my pile for try on is definitely quite large. A new tag on it too. And it looks like it's been marked down just about a bajillion times. Originally $125. Country Shop? Never heard of this. Is this vintage? Oh, here's the actual tags. Okay, hold on. Here's like the actual tags. I've never heard of this, but apparently it's stretchy, and it's a trouser, navy trouser. So I may look into this one to sell. It's 97% wool, so okay, that one I'm gonna look up. We still have like half this bag, I feel like, to go. This one's definitely has more stuff in it than the last one. Oh, we have another pair of shorts. These ones are from Maurice's. Yes, they probably smell lovely, Luna. Yeah, I know. I know. You're just so interested in them, aren't you? They look like this. They look like they have like this rope tie stripe. Stretchy. They actually look really comfy. They've got the nice big pockets. I don't know, this might be another one for me. Size medium. All right, I'm gonna try these on too. These are from Chico's. These are a pair of black, like, denim-y pants. And these are the So Slimming Girlfriend straight leg jean. Size 0.55. Oh, US size 6S. So I think these may be too small for me, but I actually do like Chico's So Slimming jeans. I'm actually wearing them right now. The pair that I own. So if I can fit into these, I may keep these. So again, try on, but I kind of doubt these are gonna fit. So I actually am familiar with this brand because I've sold it before. This is, oh, don't knock, yes. Don't knock the camera down. Okay, this is Massimo Dutti. Are you saying please give me that? So there's the tag, and this looks like it might be a dress. Oh yeah, this one I'm definitely gonna look up to sell. This is a dress, so just a very simple black dress. It's a size 4. Oh, I think this is 100% silk. Yeah, I'm gonna have to look that up to sell. Yes, we have something to sell, yay! This one is from Ann Taylor Petite. And it's this like fuchsia, like ribbed sweater, and it's kind of got a little bit of this puff shoulder, and then the sleeves are, and they got these like rhinestone almost button detail to them. That's kind of cute. I don't know if it's really quite my style, but that one might be a good like buy sell trade one. This looks very interesting. Give you a little sneak peek. Can you see that? Can you see that? Like this, I don't know if this is handmade or if this is vintage. I don't see a tag. What? Okay. I may have to look into this further, but this is like very embroidered And this just reminds me of something as I just try and eat it. I may have to look this over for stains. It's very like girly prairie, almost like grandma in a way. This is Rough Hewn, size small. And I don't know if this is like a brand that can be resold or not, so I may have to look it up. But it looks like it's a cowl neck. And then it's like this buttery yellow and gray, like printed sweater. This actually is kind of cute. Would I wear that? I don't know. I don't know. I may have to try that one on too. Okay, got quite a try on pile here. Okay, yeah, I think we have one more item. Yep, the bag is empty. This is the last item. What is it? What is it? Another Ann Taylor. This is a size medium. And it's like this light lilac, purple, gray, and white, like houndstooth. And it looks like it's long sleeve. And it looks like this is more of like just a long sleeve top / tunic kind of a thing. So that will be going to Buy Sell Trade as well. Let me show you what we're working with. Yes, we are working with you. So here is my try on pile that I may film me trying things on and deciding. I've got a little pile here, like Plato's Closet kind of things. I think there's only like 3 things there. I've got 3 things for maybe like Clothes Mentor. I've got the one Tommy Bahama that I'm going to try and wash. And this is my pile to try and resell, which, I mean, there's a couple of things and they're kind of maybes. We'll find out. If you see them listed on my Poshmark account, then you'll know that you know, that's what I ended up doing with them. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching this mystery bag opening with me and going through and kind of separating things out. I really enjoy doing this. I think it's fun, so hopefully it's fun for you guys as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more, and I will see you all next time. Have a good rest of your day, everyone. Take care. Bye.